What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to Laura and Mona's Corner. If you're new here, my name is Mona and my beautiful daughter's name is Laura. And on today's video is all about me, it's all about me, Mona. I'll be making my hair. I want to quickly show you guys how you can make your own hair at home. It's so easy, and your own cornrow at home. So yeah, first off, I just took off the former cornrow that I had. So I just try to untangle my hair by using a hairspray, and to comb it. Then here I'm doing a quick length check. There's nothing wrong with celebrating your little wins and all that. Because the last time I made this hair, last time I lose my hair, when I checked the length, I really lost a lot of hair. So yeah, it's so good to know that I'm coming back. So yeah, after parting my hair, I went ahead to apply this hair growth oil that I recently started using, and I'm loving it. So next up, I'll try to hold the other side with a band so it doesn't get on the way. As you can see, I have a mirror in front of me that I'm using to look at the pattern and all that. So yeah, I went ahead to cut out the part that I want to weave all the way to the back. So after cutting it out, I'll go ahead again and comb it, and then I'll start weaving it. This can be a little stressful if you're just starting out. Your hands can feel a little will I say sore, like it hurts around the arm. But as long as you put your mind to it, you'll be able to do it. And it doesn't take so much time, and it saves you the stress of uh, going all the way to the salon, or spending money and all that. So yeah, slow and steady, I was able to weave it gently and gradually. Even though my arm was hurting, as you can tell from the video, I was resting one on the bed, as a form of support. And I also took little breaks in between, just to rest my arm, because yeah, I recently added a little not a little, I recently added some weight, which I'm trying to lose a bit. So my arm's kind of hot, so I had to take a little break. So guys, I think at this point, maybe I don't know what Elara was doing that got me distracted. So I'm back to the second one. You can see it's just a repetitive process of what I did the first time. But you just have to be patient. Don't rush it, or try to be fast to finish it quickly. Otherwise, you just get tired and mess everything up. So here Madam Laura came to disturb me, because that's what she always does. She disturbs me for a living. Even though she doesn't get paid for it, she enjoys doing it so much. So yeah, she's just lying down there clueless and looking blankly at my phone and the mirror. So guys, you can see we're pushing through. I'm in the third weave now. Oh my god, my arms felt like they were going to break. It was so painful. But yeah, I'm doing it, and if I can do it, trust me, you can do it. Because I'm one human being that I can't even lift my finger for anything. I get tired easily. I don't know, maybe it's the postpartum weight gain and all that comes with it. I don't know. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I'm almost done with the other side. You can see I think I have just one left here. And yeah, I think I also took a break to eat. Yeah, because I ordered food online, so the food came and I took a break to eat. And yeah, I came back to eat. You can see my face is already coming out. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side just the same way I did the first side. And yeah, Lolo is back. This girl is a pain on my neck. I don't know. She disturbs me in a very sweet way. When she's on her own self, I even missed her. But once she's back, I'm like, oh my god, I want to run away. I'm going to leave you and your daddy together and just take a break from you guys. So guys, you can see I'm in the last one. Yay! I made it. I can't believe it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's all clean. You can use it to stay at home and whatnot. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.